Morning guys, on this absolute beaut of a day in SA. You can check the sun that's coming out. Absolute stunning sunrise here. We're busy getting done with our farm chores as we're gearing up for our next safari, and that's a buddy of mine, Tim, coming out with Hudson. I'm picking him up on Sunday and we're going after buffalo. For those of you who are scared about coming out to South Africa and are deciding to cancel or postpone, guys, don't cancel, don't postpone. Believe me when I say your outfitters and professional hunters will not put you in any dangerous places or dangerous positions. Things are still safe in South Africa. We need your guys' support and need you guys to come out. I myself have been an outfitter that has had cancellations, and the outfitters don't like saying they've lost hunts or cancelled hunts. If you talk to them, they'll turn around and say, oh, it's a full season, we're having a great time. They are not honest like I am, and losing hunts takes a big chunk out of our year and our season, and it affects more than just myself as the outfitter. It affects everyone else in the bottom string of everything. So guys, keep your bookings. If you're really worried about what's going on, postpone. But as it stands right now, South Africa is still safe to come and visit. We've got great places to take you guys. You can even check out with the guys that I've just recently hunted with. They've had a hell of a trip, a hell of a safari, and not once did they feel unsafe in South Africa. So make sure that you book, make sure that you're on your plane and you're coming out to visit our beautiful country and come and experience what it has to offer. For the guys who are waiting for the following podcast to come out, I'm super sorry that it's taking me so long as we are getting ready for our next hunt and finishing up with all our farm chores. I have videoed it. It's busy being edited. I'm a one-man show, guys. I've got no one sitting in the background editing for me. So I will hopefully get it all edited this evening, and hopefully if the Wi-Fi works, being in Africa, then it should be up by tomorrow. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.